Pride of ownership. When a home exists in one family for well over 20 years, is renovated to this level, and offered at this price point, well, in today's market, the smart buyer wins. Hello and welcome back. My name is Chris and I'm a realtor with ERA Brokers Consolidated and the host of New Life West Vegas. Well, today we're going to bring you a rare opportunity for the right type of buyer. Stick around to the end of this video and we'll shed some light on why this home is a rare find for certain types of buyers. Now let's take a look at this beautifully renovated home.
Offered by Donna Schneider of ERA Brokers Consolidated, this is a beautiful turnkey home that features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and is listed for $269,000. Immediately, when first entering this home, you feel the pride of ownership. This house has been completely renovated with a sense of design choices that only comes when one builds a personal sanctuary. The all-new vinyl plank flooring, carpet, and baseboard give it a uniform flow. The vaulted ceilings give the main living area a light and airy feeling. And a brand new heating and air conditioning was installed in August of 2020. The living room shares a double fireplace with the kitchen and dining room and is a perfect homey space for relaxing after a hard day or entertaining guests. A fully remodeled kitchen with stainless steel appliance acts as the heart of this home and is highlighted with beautiful granite countertops and a warm custom backsplash. Also notable, new modern design light fixtures can be found throughout the home. With 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms total, the spacious master bedroom features an ensuite bathroom that has been tastefully renovated. And the 2 additional spare bedrooms can be utilized for either family, guests, or a functioning separate office space. The second bathroom has been tastefully renovated and is conveniently located for easy access. Wrapping up this turnkey home is a pet and child-friendly backyard featuring both a low-maintenance landscape and a perfect shaded oasis for both entertaining or relaxing.
As you can see from the pictures we've just shown you, the level of love and pride and ownership in this house is exceptional. Now, let's talk a little bit about what type of buyer needs to be looking at this home. Well, when you're considering a turnkey, standalone, 3-bedroom home in today's market and at this price level, that buyer could look a lot like a young family that's looking to get out of the rental trap. Or how about a young professional who's also stuck in that renter's trap, but looking to get into a long-term buy and hold investment without the time, expertise, or need to renovate? If you fall into either one of these scenarios, you're going to want to reach out for me for a quick, no-obligation strategy session. I will go ahead and lay out the numbers that will help you see why escaping the renter's trap has never been easier. If you find the right home, a home like you saw today. I will arm you with the right type of information and questions to ask a mortgage professional. Heck, we'll even give you a list of those professionals to talk to. At the end of the day, conversation's free. The information I give you and the insight you can gain are priceless.
In closing, if you're a potential buyer and already working with a realtor, please have your agent contact Donna Schneider directly for additional information. Now, For those of you not yet working with an agent and would like to see a virtual 3D tour or schedule a safe private viewing, see the links below in the comments section, and a member of the New Life West Vegas team will be happy to assist you with no obligation necessary. We're always here to serve our community. Until then, stay safe, stay Vegas strong.